Calathea Ornata plant care. Sunlight. Calathea ornatas grow best when shielded from direct sunlight. These plants grow on the forest floor in nature, so too much direct sunlight can scorch leaves and leave your plant looking less than healthy. Water. Keep the plant soil consistently moist at all times, but never dripping. Calatheas hate to get too dry just as much as they hate to get too wet. This is one of the most important tips in the entire Calathea Ornata plant care guide. Humidity. Calathea ornatas like it humid. Consider grouping plants together or supplementing with a humidifier. It's important that you do not misplant leaves, as this often acts as a vector for disease. Potting soil. Rich soil that is well draining and non-sandy. Fertilizer. Feed once monthly during the growing season, but not at all during the cooler winter months. How to get rid of Calathea ornata brown tips. One of the most common issues with a Calathea ornata is curling, brown plant tips. This is often a sign of inconsistent watering. As mentioned earlier, Calathea ornatas hate when their soil is inconsistently moist or has dry patches. Give your plant a good soaking and trim off the brown tips. Suddenly they aren't coming back. How to fix yellow Calathea ornata leaves. Yellowing Calathea leaves are often a sign of overwatering. Let the soil dry out longer than you normally would while still ensuring that the soil moisture levels remain consistent will help to fix yellow Calathea ornata leaves in no time at all.